How's it going, everybody? This is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, if you guys haven't checked out my latest videos, I suggest you go check them out real quick. But other than that, let's get right into it. Okay, so right now we are on the Robinhood Portfolio, and as you see here, since the last time I was on, we basically are down quite a bit. As you see, today we are down just a little bit, but for the past week, I think we are making a nice recovery from basically lows on my account. And as you see here, for the past week, I am up 4.87%, but for the past month, I am down pretty big. As you see, down 11.84%, and I was at lows in the past month of 71.01, but slightly bouncing back. And I think this is mostly because of Facebook, because I do have a Facebook call, and since I purchased this Facebook call option, all Facebook has been doing is just been going down. But right now it is hitting a support, I believe. As you look at the 1-year chart, it is hitting this support right here. This support breaks, it can keep going lower and lower. Facebook can keep going lower. Only time would tell when it would actually start rebounding and going back to its all-time highs. It's probably going to take a while, so we're going to have to ride this out. And as you all know, the last week was rough in the market. It had a little correction, which made it a nice opportunity to purchase some stock if you had money on the side. And as you see here, in the past month, Apple was at highs of 232, but then dipped all the way down to 214. And this is not even that much of a dip compared to the other tech stocks and other companies out there. And Amazon, I think Amazon was one of the bigger ones that got hit the hardest. As let's look at the 1-month chart for Amazon, and as you see, Amazon was at above the $2,000 range, but it had lows of around $1,700. So it was a pretty big dip down of more than 10%, which made it a nice opportunity to purchase down here. And at one point, I believe it was hitting the $1,600 range, 1690s, I believe. Nvidia also one that got hit really hard from last week. Let's look at the month chart for Nvidia. And as you see here, in the past month, it is down 11.69%. And it was up to 289. But it hit lows of 235. It was down $50, but about 20%. And as you all know, Tesla also was hit pretty hard. Tesla is bouncing back, as you see here in the past week. It is up 5.42%. This is a beautiful stock to be swing trading. And I know Tesla's going to have a bit of volatility, which is all good for anyone that's out there that likes to swing trade. Tesla's a good stock, and I believe it in the long run, so I wouldn't mind holding this stock for years and years. And the next one we have here is Microsoft. I haven't actually been on my Robinhood portfolio, so I really don't know what's been going on in my account. As soon as the first red day came out, I just turned off my phone and I just put it away, because once you have that Robinhood app, that's all you want to do. You just want to look at your stocks. You just want to look at your stock holdings all the time, and it's a bit crazy. That's why sometimes you just need to turn your phone off and just leave it to the side. And Microsoft also had a pretty big hit, as it was at $115 and it went all the way down to $105. So that was a $10 dip right there for Microsoft. And Alibaba, we have Alibaba here. Alibaba is down to $148, and for the past month it just keeps going down. It was at lows of $138. Let's just look at the 1-year chart for this real quick. I mean, it is having a nice bounce back. Hopefully it can stay above this level, and if it keeps going down, and I'll probably purchase some more Alibaba if it keeps going down to new lows. And Canopy Growth, this week has been insane because of the legalization of cannabis in Canada, which actually they legalized cannabis recreationally in Canada now, which is awesome. Congratulations to you all over there in Canada. Hopefully that happens here in the United States soon. And that's gonna make every single cannabis company just explode. Well, let's look at the 1-week chart for Canopy Growth real quick. And as you see here, it is up 7%, but it has been very volatile. I believe the volume was insane. Like, you couldn't even put orders in sometimes because it was so much volume. But since last week, the gains that were made on Monday have been slowly coming back down. So whoever bought and then sold in one day, made a nice 10% gain, but now everyone's taking profits, so canopy growth is going down. And we have here is Aurora Cannabis. Let's look at the 1 week chart. Same thing with Aurora Cannabis. It made nice highs up, I believe, close to $12, and then basically gave back all of its gains. People just took its profits. And the next one we have here is AbbVie. Let's look at how much damage was done to this company in the past month. It's not down that much, it's only down 2.25%, but overall AbbVie is down quite a bit from its all-time highs of about $119, $120. So hopefully we can see AbbVie coming back to its all-time highs next year. Now let's look at Boeing. Let's see how much damage was done to Boeing in the past month. It's still up a little bit, up 1.73%, but it was up to almost $400, $392. It basically went back down $30, which is about 10%. Lots of stocks were on sale in last week, so hopefully you guys did get some shares of your favorite companies. But other than that, guys, please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one.